In this video, you'll learn how to cross-list your items on eBay effectively. This process will help you reach a wider audience by listing your products on multiple platforms simultaneously. To begin, gather all necessary listing details for your item. Collect high-quality photos, a well-crafted description, the price, and shipping information. Ensure that this information is accurate and consistent across all platforms where you plan to list. It is beneficial to store your images in an easily accessible folder to streamline the process. Using a simple description format that can be reused will save time. Additionally, confirm your stock quantity to avoid overselling, ensuring you are prepared before posting your listings. Once your items are ready, log into each marketplace where you intend to list them. Start by copying your title, description, and price from your main listing. Then upload the same images and details to each platform. Be mindful to adjust the category or shipping settings if required by each specific platform. After completing these steps for a listing, publish each one separately. It is important to confirm that all your listings are live and visible to potential buyers. Next, managing your sales across different platforms is crucial. Make it a habit to monitor notifications from all marketplaces daily. If an item sells on one site, remove the listing from all other platforms immediately to avoid double selling. Keeping your inventory tracking updated is essential to manage your stock effectively. Additionally, respond quickly to any messages from buyers to maintain good communication. Consistent pricing across all platforms will help you avoid confusion and build trust with your customers. Continuing to list more products regularly is important for maintaining a robust online presence. As you cross-list items, consider the file sizes of your images, as larger files may slow down the upload process depending on your internet speed. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to facilitate smooth uploads. Also, check the available storage on each platform before uploading your listings to prevent any interruptions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.